Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. As in my previous video, I have shown you guys how you can add an employee to the system. Today I'll be showing you all how you can add holiday list, then how you can allocate leaves to your employee, then how you can manage leave application and all those things. So let's dive in. First of all, you'll go to the left hand menu where you will see human resource. So once you click on human resource, you will see holiday list, then below it leave allocation, then leave application, then fiscal year. So before we move to holiday list, you should always create a fiscal year for the current fiscal year. I have already created it like 25 26. It's already there. So if you haven't done it yet, so first of all you have to create the fiscal year. Then we'll go to holiday list. Then you'll first of all you'll see the table where your previous holiday list that you have prepared will be displayed over here. Like I have two holiday lists that I have already prepared. So on top you'll see the plus button where using which you can add a new holiday list, then the filter option using which you can filter out any holiday list you're looking for, and this is to apply the filters. Then this is you can using this you can reset the table without resetting the whole page. And in the table itself there is the edit option to edit the holiday list if it's necessary. Then there is a upload document option using which you can upload any document if it's necessary in respect to that certain holiday list. So we'll click on the plus button to create a new holiday list. So as you can see, you have to fill certain details like the name of the holiday list. Suppose holiday list 25 26. So I have given that name. We'll select it as enabled. Then we'll select the fiscal year, which I told you to create it by going to fiscal year. Then you will select the weekend days when it will be weekends. Suppose Saturday and Sundays, right? Then you can select the holidays as per your requirement. You can add multiple rows and select whichever days will be holiday. Suppose Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd. So like this you can select all the holidays. Then once you're done, you can simply click on submit. So once you submit, you will be directed to the show page where you will be you can see all the holidays, like all the weekend days has been selected as holidays. Plus if you go down, you can select see that the custom holiday that we entered, Gandhi Jayanti, has been also added. So similarly, rest of the holidays that we will add in the list will also be displayed over here. And basically that's how the holiday list is created. Now in here you can take out a print if it's necessary for you, or if you want to create a new holiday list you can do it directly from here. If you want to edit it, you can do it directly from here, or you can just go back to the list. So now you can see where the holiday list has been added here, and from here also if you want to edit you can do it. Now to assign this holiday list to your employees, you can simply go to CRM, then accounts, then the employee we just created, Sam. You can go edit it, then select the holiday list, and then select the holiday list that we just created, and then submit it. So for this employee, that holiday list has been set. So basically for leave application and all this, it will be considered, this holiday list will be considered. Now we'll go back to the human resource module where you will see leave allocation. So now we have added the holiday list, which basically will contain the general holidays, right? But you want to add a sick leave or a casual leave to the employee, then you have to go to leave allocation. So the buttons are similar to the other modules like edit, upload document, plus button to create a new leave allocation, then filter and all those things. We'll create a new leave allocation. We'll add new leaves to the new employee. So we'll simply click on the plus button. So we'll select the employee we have added, Sam. So we suppose we'll allocate casual leave for Sam, and we'll select the fiscal year, then allocate suppose 10 casual leaves for Sam. Then other details also you can fill if it's necessary for you. Right now I'll keep them empty and simply click on submit. So basically it has been saved. All the details will be displayed over here, and we'll now go back to the list, and here you can see for Sam casual leave 10 has been added. Previously I also have added sick leave for him as a trial. And now we'll go back to the leave application module where you can manage all the leave applications. So once you click on leave application, this page will load up where you'll see all the leave applications that you have previously added. You can also check their status, currently approved or open, and all those things. So the buttons are similar in this page as well. We'll simply click on the plus button to add a new leave application. Then suppose we'll select the same employee, Sam, and suppose Sam wants casual leave for from 14 till 15, for like 14 and 15. So we can directly check from here itself like how many casual leave Sam have currently remaining. If you click check leave, you can see 10 remaining. So currently the status can be open, or you can simply approve it or reject it as per your requirement, or you can put a approver's name. If you select an approver from here, basically the user, that user will be in that user account, this particular leave application will be displayed in leave application. There they can edit it, then change this status to approve and submit it. So basically that's how the approver thing works. So currently we'll simply approve myself only, then we'll submit it. The approver, I'll keep myself and submit it. Then as you can see, all the details has been displayed here. Now we'll go back to the lease, and from here you can see currently the status of this application is open. It's not been approved yet. So we'll simply click on the edit button, then select the status as approved. So as you select the status as approved and submit it, and you will go back to the lease, here you can see that the status has been updated to approved. Basically that's how this leave application module works. And even if you add a new leave application for Sam, for casual leave, suppose for 22, 23 and check leave, you can see currently only 8 days remaining, since he already have taken 2 leaves. So basically that's how you can add holiday leaves, manage leave allocation, application and all those things in ERP Lite. It's very easy and efficient to use. I hope it's clear, and if there is any doubt, do mention in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.